Hi everyone, my name is Rana Bilal from websitesmasters.com. Today we will accept our second challenge in which we will use essential Canva tools. So let's start now our first step. In our first step, we can see that the left side background and text is visible, but the right side background is black and text is also black, that is not visible. So we always have to remember that we have to make a combination of background and text that should be visible and attractive as well. So what we have to do is we have to select the text that I would like to change the color. I will select the text and I will choose the color. I will choose the white color. Now you can see the text color is visible and the combination is looking good. And here you can see this text color is black, that is not visible, so you also have to change this one as well. Now I will choose the yellow color. Now it's looking good. So we have completed our first step. Now we will go for the next step. In our next step, we are using grid here, this one, to place our image. It's a good option because the grid will automatically adjust the image and you can resize easily. In our third step, we can see a pizza image and I would like to show an offer and I will write lunch special $10. So when placing text over an image, consider using a text folder. So I will go in the left sidebar and here we will see a text option. I will click here and I will choose this one. I will change the text. I will write here lunch special and I will minimize the text and I will also resize this circle because it's too much big and I will place here. So it's looking good, but I would like to change the circle background, so I will click on the circle. Now the color is red, but I will choose the black one. Now it's visible, but here we will see the image is not looking good, it's not visible, so I will use the transparency tool to transparent this offer and now it's looking good. So remember, whenever you have to place a text, you have to go to the left sidebar and here you will see different options, different designs, so you can put anyone as per your requirement. In our fifth and final step, we will use grids because grids are a great way to lay out your images. We will do this task on the next page. We will search grids and we will upload our own photos and add them to the grid. So the first thing we have to do is to search grids. Here you will see different grid styles, so I will choose this one and it's here. Next I have to upload an image, so I will go left sidebar and here you will see an option of upload your own images. I will click here and I will upload this image. Now the image is uploaded. I will select this image and I will put here. So you can see it's easy to drag your image and it's automatically adjustable. I have uploaded before few images, so I will put all those. I will choose this one and I will choose this one. I will put here. So it's really easy, really simple. Now our tutorial is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe our channel, in which you will know that how to use Canva for your graphic designs.